When you're searching for microcurrent face lift machines, it can feel like you're stuck in a sea of sameness. Same features, same flashy claims, but here's the catch. The real differences are buried deeper. Let's dig into the top options that actually deliver results. Product number 1, Dopsican 7-Color Galvanic Machine White. First up is the Dopsican 7-Color Galvanic Machine in white, priced at $29.99. What stood out to me was its portability and versatility with 7 different color modes. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to tackle wrinkles and double chins, this is worth a serious look. The gentle vibrations and 113 heating can really help in treating those stubborn areas on your face and neck. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many are seeing results. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want a quick daily fix that feels like a mini spa treatment, this could be your go-to. Now, some people mention that it might take a few sessions before they noticed a significant change. I get it, patience is key here. But honestly, if you're someone who's just starting out or looking for a budget-friendly option, that's not a deal breaker. You might find that regular use leads to great improvement over time. This is perfect for you if you're new to skincare tech and want something easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end professional device. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the idea of waiting for results bothered you, the next one might offer quicker satisfaction. Product number 2, Dopsican 7-Color Galvanic Machine Pink. Next, let's talk about the Dopsican 7-Color Galvanic Machine in pink, also priced at $29.99. I love the aesthetic of this one. If you want a device that's not only effective but also looks cute on your vanity, this is worth considering. Just like the white version, this device has the same microcurrent and red light technology, which means it's designed to lift and tighten the skin while improving overall complexion. With 1,100 reviews and a consistent 4.3-star rating, it's apparent that users appreciate its ease of use and effectiveness. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of self-care while also wanting visible results, this could easily become part of your routine. However, some users found the vibration a bit too gentle for their liking. But here's the thing, if you're not a fan of intense treatments, this might actually be a plus. It's a gentle way to ease into microcurrent therapy. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that's still effective. Skip this one if you prefer devices with stronger stimulation. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more targeted results. Product number 3, Dopsican 7-Color Galvanic Machine Black. Now we have the Dopsican 7-Color Galvanic Machine in black, once again priced at $29.99. I mean, if you're looking for something sleek and professional, this is the one. This machine offers the same great features as the other two, with microcurrent and red light therapy to help lift, tighten, and rejuvenate your skin. With 1,100 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, this machine has garnered a lot of trust from users. Here's why this matters. If you're looking for a device that's reliable and consistent, this could be your best bet. However, some feedback pointed out that the buttons can be a bit confusing at first. Now I'll be real with you, if you're not tech savvy, it may take a minute to figure out, but once you do, it's smooth sailing from there. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable device without any frills. Skip this one if you're looking for something straightforward and easy to navigate. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. If you're looking for something more advanced, the next product might just catch your interest. Product number 4, Hunva Microcurrent Facial Device. Up next is the Hunva Microcurrent Facial Device, priced at $49.99. What caught my eye here is the latest red light technology that's designed to enhance your skin's lift and tighten it up. This device aims to sculpt a V-shaped face by mimicking your body's natural electric currents to stimulate your facial muscles. With a 4.5-star rating from 423 reviews, it's clearly making waves in the beauty community. Here's why this matters. If you're serious about achieving a lifted look and want something that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. However, some users reported that the tingling sensation can be a bit intense, especially for first-timers. Here's the deal, if you're used to skincare gadgets, this might feel just right, but if you're new, it could catch you off guard. Just remember, that means it's working. This is perfect for you if you're keen on advanced technology and want to see results. Skip this one if you're sensitive to sensations or just starting out. It's a worthy investment if you're ready for a bit more intensity in your routine. Now, if you're looking for something to support these devices, our next product is a must-have. Product number 5, One's Radio Frequency Gel. Finally, we have the One's Radio Frequency Gel priced at $8.99. This isn't a facelift machine, but it's an essential addition if you're using any microcurrent device. This gel is designed to prepare your skin for RF treatments and enhances the device's effectiveness. It hydrates and soothes the skin while ensuring a smooth application. With a strong 4.4-star rating from 1,700 reviews, users appreciate how it helps reduce the risk of side effects like burns or irritation. Here's why this matters. Using a gel ensures that your treatments are both safe and effective, maximizing your results. Some users noted that the gel can feel a bit sticky after application. But honestly, if you're serious about getting the most out of your device, this shouldn't deter you. Just be sure to apply it generously and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you want to boost the effectiveness of your treatments. Skip this one if you're looking for a standalone solution. It's very affordable, making it a smart buy alongside any of the devices we discussed. So there you have it, the top 5 microcurrent facelift machines. Whether you want something simple like the Dopsican machines or are looking for more advanced options like the Hunva, there's a solid choice for every need. Plus, don't forget that One's gel to help you get the best results. Choose the one that feels right for you and start your journey to a lifted, youthful glow.